Well, here we'll see what to do when you're getting Instagram login error like this. So friends, what first you have to do is you have to delete your cache and storage file. For that, if you're on Android, just go to your settings here and go to apps and notifications. Here we'll see, go to and you can see here there is Instagram. Just press here and you can see the options called storage and cache. So press storage and cache, clear storage. First check by clearing cache files, and if still it doesn't work, if still the login error comes, then go for clear storage. It will clear most of your saved password and user ID as well. Try these options first, clear cache and clear storage, and check whether your login problem is getting solved or not. Then what you can do is, in the same page, you can force stop your Instagram. That will restart. You can see this option here, that will restart your Instagram if it is already logged in your mobile phone, in your device. So try to force stop and then open your Instagram app, and it will again ask you for login, user ID and password. So do that. And the next tip is you must update your Instagram app. So for that, you simply go to Play Store. Type in Instagram, and you can see if it is already installed, then an option of update will come, and simply update it. So once you update it, maybe some unupdated or some bugs or some security feature might be hindering you to log in, and therefore might be that login problem is coming, login error is coming. So once you update this app, it is actually meant for enhancing your security and removing many bugs that could show this kind of problem, like login error and many other problems as well. After updating, you can simply open the Instagram app. And before all these things, I just want you to check whether your internet connection is proper or not. Just try to move in around other apps or your Google browser, where you can type in something and see whether your internet connection is proper or not, because many times you don't know, you are in a Wi-Fi and the connection has already been off. You are trying to open up apps like Instagram, and you can see that login error is coming because of non-availability of internet actually. So try to ensure that you have a proper internet connection. So if nothing works out, then you can simply restart your phone, reboot your phone. Many times the bugs in the phone also runs in the background, and it prevents you from logging in into Instagram, or this kind of error comes in while logging in Instagram. So try to reboot or restart your phone as well. And the tip is, go to a website called Down Detector website, and you can see user reports indicate no current problems at Instagram. Many times it happens like your Instagram app server is itself it is down, and you try everything but it doesn't work. It doesn't let you log in into your Instagram app. So for that, first of all, check whether server is itself down or not. So you can be assured that no, it is not down, something else could be the problem, maybe my device or something else. So here another tip is, open your Google browser and try to log in your Google browser. Like I press Instagram here. Let me see. So log in your computer or in your desktop by typing in Instagram, not here but on your desktop, because it will simply take me to the app, because already the app is installed here. If you're able to log in your desktop or laptop, then be sure that there is some problem in a mobile device. So try to rectify if some background apps are also running which is hindering, or some viruses which are really preventing you from logging into Instagram. Then you can do one thing, that is to uninstall the app completely. Go to settings, apps and notifications, then go to Instagram, and here what you can do, you can uninstall this app and again reinstall that. So if nothing else works, then try to log in into Instagram from your Facebook account, and I hope it will be very easy for you to log in from your Facebook if this kind of thing happens. So friends, these are some of the tips that I've shared with you, how to address the error, the Instagram login error that comes once in a while, and what to do if that kind of error comes. So friends, if you found this video useful, please like this video. Please comment if you use some other tips or other techniques to address this problem of logging in error issue, and please do comment in the comment box. I would also like to learn from all of you how to address this kind of problems. And please do share this video so that many people come to know of this tip of logging in issues. And of course, please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.